Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a good weekend, and welcome to this new video here on Solana. The day after we got the big news of a strategic crypto reserve for the United States. I covered Solana briefly yesterday in my middle of the day market update. So if you watched that, you already knew what was happening and just in general what I expected from it. What I said yesterday is that I thought it was most likely that we would head into our main previous range highs, right? So the main resistance level, which you can also see on the chart right here at 180. But I also said I do not expect that we will break out of that. I think it's more likely that we will actually find resistance from there. And that's not what I said yesterday, but that is what I'm telling you right now. We have found resistance there, so if you watch my market update yesterday, you would have been prepared for this pullback we're having. I would not call this a dump. This is more of a pullback for now, at least. But now we are simply waiting, or at least I think it's confirmed that we are holding the consolidation right here. I think it's unlikely, without new information, that we will break out. However, that is what we're waiting for. All right, we're waiting for some sort of confirmation from Bitcoin that it's going to be able to actually turn more bullish here and stay in this range and potentially get back up to 96, 98 and potentially even 100,000. But we are still waiting for that confirmation. Bitcoin could actually still pull back much lower, which will not matter too much for Solana at this point of time if Bitcoin pulls back lower, but that's something for later. Or we are waiting, so either for bullish markets or at least more bullish momentum in the markets, or we're waiting for more specifics on this crypto reserve. All right, how much will we bought, etc., etc. Because when we're taking a look at Solana right now, when we hit this bottom right here at 130 and ultimately we dropped down to 125, I already told you on Friday, Saturday that it was most likely that we would hold that level. And personally, at those low levels, I also bought Bitcoin, not Solana, but it looked like the market was bottomed, and Solana actually found, it bottomed out there, and then with the news yesterday, it bounced up. But we should not forget that, now the token unlocks are behind us. Those were March the 1st, but those were already priced in my opinion, with that huge drop off and with that huge sell off we've had. But when we look at Solana right now, it's still not doing amazing. February the 28th, the DEX trading volumes dropped down to 1.9 billion. They're a little bit higher right now, especially also yesterday they were quite high, so that's good. But fundamentally, Solana is still in a downtrend, all right, in trading volumes, in TVL. So I need more confirmation from that side in order for me to actually believe that Solana is as strong again as it was previously. And if Solana is not that strong, which I think it is right now, I still think it's fundamentally quite weak, I'm not going to tell you that we're going to break out. I think even with Bitcoin holding the support level around 90,000, I think that's not enough for Solana to get enough momentum to break out. The only way I think Solana can break out is if the crypto reserve is super overblown, right? So that they're buying billions of dollars in Solana, or if we're getting some sort of a strong development of the Solana ETF. All right. But unless that happens, what I think is most likely is that we will stay in this range. All right. So I do not think we're going to drop down lower. But I think it's more likely we'll fill the CME gap here, or we'll fill the gap just in general here. The imbalance of this move up, which especially the lower parts were with low volume, we'll fill the imbalance. We will stay relatively strong here. I just don't think we're going to break out above 185. So I would expect something like this. But the specifics I'll still keep you updated on. For now, short term, I expect more bullish momentum, get some sort of a bounce from 150, 145. Potentially this move up, but that's a little bit more risky. I think it's more likely that we will actually stay around that level at 150. And then from there, depending on the fundamentals, depending on the developments of those, we can either get back up to the top of the range and even break out, or we'll drop back down. But that's something I'll keep you updated on. This is at least what you need to know for now. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.